Fazendo bolo de caneca com minha amiga.
We had
Eu mexendo.
everything. Then one day you just got up and left. Said he's cool and got nicer teeth. I bet he's like a masterpiece. And I bet he's got a bigger cock. Twice my height and built like a rock. I need to ditch all these intrusive thoughts.
Levando
One
para o
more
Michael.
deep and I'm all out of love. But I'm not sad about it.
Ela tentando
It's
abrir o
clear that
micro-ondas.
you're a scoundrel, but you were out of my league. And it's clear to see we were never meant to be. You asked me if I'd write a tune to tell you how much I love you. Then you went off with some dude.
Ela tentando
I
ligar.
did a Taylor wrote a song about it. I hope he gives you all you want, 'cause I feel fucking miserable. You asked me if I'd write a tune,
Eu ligando.
so I wrote one to say fuck you. I wish I knew what was coming next.
Ela
I'm
fazendo
one wank
dancinha.
away from having no sex. I think I'll put my heart to the test, and I'll find a yummy mummy who can break my heart next. But at least she'll buy me things. She's got financial capabilities. I'm due a new TV, so I think maybe she'll be
Esperando.
the one for me. And I'll be proper proud about it. My friends will be so jealous of the yummy mummy special, but I won't be too loud about it. Shit, I'll keep it super private. You asked me if I'd write a tune to tell you how much I love you. Then you went off with some dude. I did a Taylor wrote a song about it. I hope he gives you all
Procurando as
you
colheres.
want, 'cause I feel fucking miserable. You asked me if I'd write a tune, so I wrote one to say fuck you.
Também não gostei do resultado. Provando. Mais ou menos. A cara dela de decepção. Receitas: 4 colheres de farinha de trigo, 4 colheres de sopa de leite, 3 colheres de açúcar, 3 colheres de achocolatado, 3 colheres de sopa de óleo, 1 ovo. Até logo!